Tēnā koutou, brr, kei te makariri. It is cold. I hope you guys are snug and warm at home, learning from home. Hey, this week in Te Reo, we are going to be learning how to answer the questions that we learnt how to ask last week. So let's just quickly have a recap of the questions we asked last week. The first one was, he aha tēnei? What does that mean? Tino pai, it means, what is this? Now you can only ask the question, he aha tēnei, if you've got it or it's somewhere next to you. If someone else has something that you want to know what it is, or it's beside the other person, what would you say? How would you ask? What is that? How would you ask it? Ka pai, you would say, he aha tēnā? He aha tēnā? What is that? And then if there's something in the distance that's not near you nor the other person, you would say, he aha tērā. All right. Hey, in the next few slides, I'm going to explain to you how to answer each of those questions. Some of them are a little bit different, a different way of answering. All right, so click on the next slides and let's have a go.